Ladies and gentlemen, today, let's look into the fascinating history of the coffee grinder. Ah, the beloved device that transforms those humble coffee beans into the aromatic elixir that kickstarts our day. But have you ever wondered about the origins of this marvelous contraption? Well, my dear friends, sit back, relax, and allow me to regale you with this delightful story. Picture it, the 14th century, in the mystical land of Arabia. Coffee had just become all the rage, and people couldn't get enough of this bewitching brew. But there was a problem. You see, coffee beans, in their raw form, are as hard as a stubborn mule's heart. To extract the heavenly nectar hidden within, one had to resort to some creative methods. Our tale begins with the imaginative minds of Arabian coffee enthusiasts. They were determined to concoct the perfect cup of joe, and in their pursuit of coffee excellence, they devised the first rudimentary coffee grinder. Now, picture this. They took two large flat rocks, and between them, they crushed the coffee beans. It was a rudimentary solution, but it got the job done. The resulting coffee was quite the talk of the town. As time went on, these coffee aficionados sought to improve their brewing skills. The flat rocks were soon replaced with more refined devices. One such device was a mortar and pestle, a simple yet effective solution. Picture a dedicated coffee enthusiast, vigorously grinding those beans in a mortar, perhaps humming a little tune as they worked. It was an art form, my friends, a labor of love. The quest for convenience and efficiency didn't stop there, though. In the 17th century, Europe got wind of this exotic elixir called coffee and its magical grinding methods. They couldn't resist the allure, but Europeans being Europeans, they couldn't just leave well enough alone. They wanted to put their own spin on things. And so, the ingenious Europeans gave us the first manual coffee grinder. This marvelous contraption featured a handle, a hopper for beans, and a grinding mechanism. Users could turn the handle, which in turn rotated the grinding burrs inside, producing a consistent grind. The aroma of freshly ground coffee began wafting through European households, creating a delightful morning ritual that endures to this day. But we're not done yet, dear friends. The 19th century ushered in an era of innovation, with industrialization sweeping across the globe like wildfire. Coffee enthusiasts wanted their brew faster and easier. Enter the electric coffee grinder. This invention was a game changer, for it eliminated the need for elbow grease. Simply press a button, and voila! Your beans were ground to perfection in seconds. Today, we have a multitude of coffee grinders at our disposal, from the classic hand-cranked models to high-tech precision electric grinders. Coffee lovers around the world can now customize their grind size, ensuring the perfect cup of coffee for their unique preferences. And so, my friends, we've embarked on a journey through time, from the rocky beginnings of coffee grinding in Arabia to the electric marvels of the modern age. The coffee grinder's invention is a testament to human ingenuity and our unquenchable thirst for the perfect cup of coffee. Next time you savor that freshly brewed coffee, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of innovation that brought those beans to your cup and raise your mug to the humble, yet marvelous, coffee grinder.